Hello, my name is Harry Brailsford. I am the founder of SMB Nation, and we're here to talk about 8 ways to take control of your technician's efficiency. Let's get started. A little bit of an overview. In the IT business, time is money. Any time that your technician spent bogged down is time they can't spend serving the customer or taking in new users. When choosing software for your IT business, focus on the tools that'll make your employees more efficient. And when shopping for a service desk or remote access tool, be sure to consider the following 8 dimensions. I'm going to share those now. Number 1, professional grade tools. So the right tools will last a lifetime. An example over in construction would be Snap-on tools. And it's the same in IT, that your customers expect professionalism, so use professional tools to get the job done. In the economics, keep in mind that the right tools don't have to break the bank. I'm just going to let that hang out there. Second dimension, speed and power. In the IT service business, small advantages add up over time, and conversely disadvantages do too. So couple of thoughts. Have a strong network and infrastructure. So try the systems and make sure you don't see significant delays. Quality features. Yes, quality over quantity. So we had the quality talk about tools, just revisiting that when it comes to speed and power, that you want your tools to have the features you need, but quality over quantity of features. And then finally, usability. So take a trial, test the system yourself, have your technicians test it. You know, it's really true. A few days up front can pay dividends in terms of the efficiency gains down the line. I'm a senior professional in the IT field. I've seen it once, I've seen it twice, I've seen it 100 times. Automation, not surprisingly, we're going to talk about automation in this day and age. And so we want support desk and remote management monitoring, or RMM integration. So we look for service desk software that integrates with the RMM platform. And then something that I found has a lot of traction in our community is scripting. So your remote access tool should allow you to have the ability to push scripts and other files to your users. Number 4, collaboration. Think of it this way. IT service businesses are rarely solo shows. MSPs typically have a mixture of employees and contractors to get the job done. So a couple of collaboration tools, capabilities we'd be looking for would be session transfers. So you can easily work collaboratively on a session tool to solve a problem. Communications, so that would be chat and other abilities to communicate in real time. Historical information. Your service desk should allow you to easily access to ticket information, session histories, and so on. And then performance, you want left to right, full visibility into the technician's performance. Let's chalk that up under the category of collaboration. 5th dimension, as they say, mobile applications. Device issues and outages don't respect business hours, yet customers pay you to handle those problems even if you're at dinner or watching a baseball game. It's really true. So with mobile applications, a couple of pointers. Native features. Look for applications that can leverage the device's hardware and software capabilities, and then test usability. So test drive the application to see how fast it creates a ticket, and so on, again, in the context of mobility. Number 6, flexibility. No 2 MSPs are exactly alike. So how you set up your business depends on multiple factors. This is how to look at the tools. One, and I really believe this would be a flexible interface. The interface should be easy to use, and the system should provide configurable roles and access rights. Number 2, flexible setup. You should be able to configure your system to accommodate your service models. We move on to number 7, about to turn the corner on number 8. So number 7, minimize administrative tasks. Think of it this way. Technicians wake up in the morning thinking geek, and they want to fix technology problems. It's ultimately why you want them spending their time doing that rather than administrative minefields of writing up notes and logging expenses and accounting for their time. So you're going to want to have a tool set that handles the following: time tracking, ticket creation, quick expense reporting, and session recordings for documentation. Number 8, finally, communication. So, like any good relationship, the customer technician relationship relies on a firm foundation of strong communication. I've said it in each of these how-to videos, and I'll say it again. So, multiple communication methods. The technicians and the users should have multiple methods of communicating with each other. Again, that can be chatting, texting, and the good old-fashioned phone. Messaging. To my point earlier, messaging is a way to have a communication on the screen before you start, giving them a chance to ask for the work to be delayed if they're extremely busy. This would be a desktop monitoring scenario. And then finally, system communications. Think of a tool where we can pass script snippets, code snippets, back and forth between technicians as technicians collaborate.